Question on characteristic of bureaucracy in India. In this question, see all options and try to think of any bureaucrat or any part of bureaucracy as an example which performs that activity. For example, option A. Can we think of any bureaucrat or any part of bureaucracy working as an agency for widening the scope of parliamentary democracy? That is, an agency working to increase the representation of people in parliament? No, it will be very difficult to think of any such examples. Most of us would take vague examples like bureaucrats engaged in election duty, but actually those bureaucrats are only implementing laws and policies already made and are not exactly working on widening the existing scope of parliamentary democracy. Therefore, option A should be incorrect. Similarly, option B. How many of us can think of any bureaucrat or part of bureaucracy acting as an agency for strengthening the structure of federalism? Agencies that strengthen the structure of federalism are Interstate Council, Zonal Council, GST Council, etc. It is these bodies that strengthen the structure of federalism. Bureaucrats only help political executives in functioning of these bodies and implementation of policies for the same. Hence, option B is incorrect. In option C, it is laws like anti-defection law which facilitates political stability, and no bureaucrat is directly involved in it. Also, in economic growth, bureaucrats are not directly involved in setting up of industries or bringing investments. At max, they can make policies for it, which is back-end part. Hence, option C should also be incorrect. But it is option D with which we can directly relate to bureaucracy or any bureaucrat. Think of any government servant in district administration, state secretariat, central secretariat, or any PSUs. Everyone there is involved in implementation of some kind of policies. Therefore, option D is correct.